Today we are going to learn what is DC chopper. A chopper is a switching device that converts fixed DC input to variable DC output voltage. If you see in this diagram, it converts fixed DC input voltage into variable DC output voltage. As we said, chopper is a switching device. So whenever the switch is in closed condition, the output voltage becomes very high. Whereas when the switch is in open condition, the output voltage is minimum. So therefore, the output voltage varies from high level to low level. So we are getting variable DC output voltage. Now we see a basic circuit of a DC chopper arrangement. If you see in this, the chopper is a switching device. So this switch is either SCR or IGBT or MOSFET. We can use any one type of device as a switching element based on the operation. Now here, if you see, the load is connected in series with the chopper switch arrangement, and here one more device that is known as freewheeling diode. Now we see the operation of the circuit. So whenever the switch is in closed condition, the current flows from source to load. That current is I0, and this current is positive in nature because current flows from source to load. And because of current flowing through the load, there is some output voltage across the load, and that voltage is also positive in nature. So in this circuit operation, the output voltage is positive as well as the output current is positive. So we get the first quadrant operation. Now the next mode of operation is the switch is in open condition. When the switch becomes open, because of highly inductive load, still there is a current flows through the load, and that current, it takes a freewheeling operation through the load. During this operation, the output voltage is 0, whereas the current is continuously decreases and it becomes 0. Now let us see some of the application of DC chopper. DC chopper is used in DC motor control, solar energy conversion and wind energy conversion. It is also used in electric cars, airplanes and space ships. Also, it is used in power supplies in computers, commercial electronics, electronic instruments. Now we see next the classification of chopper. It is classified based on output voltage. There are two types of choppers. One is step down chopper and another one is step up chopper. In step down chopper, the output voltage is lesser than input voltage. Whereas in step-up chopper, the output voltage is greater than input voltage. And it is also classified based on quadrant of operation. There are 5 types: class A, B, C, D and E. In class A chopper, the output voltage is positive as well as the output current is positive. So therefore we get the first quadrant of operation. And in class B chopper, the output voltage is positive, whereas the output current becomes negative. That is, current flows from load to source. In this chopper, that is class B chopper, the load acts as a generator, and we get the output in second quadrant. In class C chopper, it's a combination of A and B. We get first and second quadrant of operation. In this class C chopper, we get output voltage is positive throughout the operation, whereas output current changes from positive to negative. In class D chopper, it is also combination of A and B, but we get first and fourth quadrant of operation. In first quadrant operation means output voltage is positive as well as output current is positive. Fourth quadrant means output current is positive whereas output voltage becomes negative. So in this class D operation, output current is positive throughout the operation whereas output voltage changes from positive to negative. And in class E chopper, this is the last type of chopper. It is also known as 4 quadrant of operation. In this class E chopper, we get all the 4 quadrant, that is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Normally the first quadrant operation is known as forward motoring and second quadrant operation is known as regenerative braking, and third quadrant operation is known as reverse motoring, and fourth quadrant operation is known as reverse regenerative braking. Now we learned all the types of chopper and also we learned what is chopper. Thank you.